This video provides step-by-step instructions for operating the Nano PCB Prototyping and Mini Drilling machine using Candle software. It explains essential procedures including machine setup, tool mounting, job origin setting, probing, height map generation, and the safe execution of PCB milling, engraving, and drilling operations with accuracy and reliability. The left side shows the Candle CNC software controlling the job, while the right side shows the machine operating in real time, clearly linking software commands to machine actions. Now we will see how to secure the copper plate onto the machine bed using masking tape, positioning it neatly at the center of the bed. Strip the wire ends and heat the soldering iron. Place the wire on the required point, heat the joint, and apply solder until it flows smoothly. Remove the iron and allow the joint to cool, ensuring a firm and clean connection. The required spanners are shown first, which is of 17 number and 13 number, followed by the cutting tool. Hold the tool gently between two fingers and insert it slightly into the collet. The spindle shaft is held using a 13 mm spanner, and the collet nut is tightened with a 17 mm spanner in anti-clockwise direction to securely clamp the tool. The probe wires are connected securely to copper plate and spindle tool using an alligator clip. Once the connection is confirmed, the probe tool is positioned above the plate, ensuring proper contact for accurate probing. With the setup complete, we now proceed to the main engraving part. First, turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to the PRPL network. Once connected, it will automatically open msftconnectus.com. Just wait for the page to load. When the page shows an alarm, simply close the website. This step confirms the machine is connected. Now, open the Candle software to begin the engraving process. The status will show an alarm, so unlock the machine and perform the homing process as shown. To set the job origin, we first manually jog the spindle along the X and Y axis using the device controls and bring it exactly to the PCB's starting point. Once the spindle is positioned correctly at the desired origin, we press the 0 All button in the Device tab. This sets the current position as X0 and Y0, ensuring the engraving starts from the correct location. Before starting probing, we connect the probe wires properly. One probe wire is connected to the spindle or engraving tool, and the other probe wire is connected to the copper surface of the PCB. Now, open the engraving G-code file and press the Probe Z button to set the correct surface height. Go to the Modification tab, click Create under Height Map, and set Z-top to 1 mm and Z-bottom to -3 mm. These values may change according to your program. Now, press the Probe button under the Visualize tab to verify the height map. Now, under the G-code program section, press the Send button to start executing the engraving program. Now, the job is completed, and this is our final engraved PCB result.